Welcome to TSS Associates Troubleshooting Guide for the IDS Bosch Inverter Heat Pump. Today, we'll show you how to diagnose a E7 error code for your M20 outdoor unit. Let's get started. If you are receiving an E7 error code from your Bosch M20 outdoor unit, you will need to locate the connections for the T5 and TS sensors. The T5 sensor is located above the white and blue plugs, and the TS sensor is located below the white and blue plugs. Make sure these sensors are in the correct locations and not crisscrossed. If they are in the correct locations, we will need to ohm out the T5 sensor. You want to make sure the unit has been off for a short period so that the sensors are at ambient temperature. You will need your multimeter to perform your sensor value tests. On your meter, select the ohms position in auto range. Remove the green plug from the board. Use the leads from your multimeter and test the T5 sensor value, which are the two black wires. Write down this value. Here you will see a resistance chart for the T5 and TF temperature sensors. These two sensors are 55,000 ohm thermistors. Measure the ambient temperature outside and correlate to the chart. If the ambient temperature reads 80 degrees, your ohm reading should be 50,904. If your sensor reading is incorrect, replace the T5 sensor. If your reading is correct, then restart the system and check for normal operation. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this training video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Have a great day.